Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So inshallah we will continue exploring the word a little bit more. So the word, again, you had in lesson 1, you had the other classifications that I gave you. For instance, it could either be a noun, a verb, or a particle. Here, one of the things that must be kept in mind that the Arabic language is interested in the ending of a word, and that ending will describe or explain to the person it says a lot of things about that word, and that you will come to know a little bit later. But for now, the focus really is to understand that the word, as far as its ending is concerned. And what do I mean by ending? So let's use an example that many Urdu speaking people are even familiar with, and commonly used word is kitabun. So kitabun, it's got this ending at the end of the tanween. This is called a tanween, right? So just correct that here. Tanween. It's either depicted as 2 dhammas, 2 kasras, or 2 fathas, or pesh, zair, and zabar, depending on whatever you have learned. So that's the ending is of importance here, and you will understand as you progress through why that's so. So for now, just understand that that's the ending. The kitabun, the tanween at the end is the ending, and from the point of view of the ending, the word's described in 2 major categories. So one is, we're going to call it declinable, and indeclinable. Okay? And declinable in Arabic is known as mu'rab, and indeclinable is known as mabni. But you don't have to really worry about that at the moment. You can just remember declinable, or here I would add here the ending is variable. And here the ending is fixed. So that is something that inshallah you need to understand. So something like kitabun is a word that will take different endings, and what that could look like is it could be kitabin, or it could be kitaban, and you will understand the significance of it later. But an example of a fixed, and this is a noun, by the way, right here is a noun. Now talking about the fixed, we have particle is an example of it, and a particle that, for example, I could use is fi. It's very common, and fi will always be fixed. So inshallah, that's something that you want to pay attention to. Look at how the variation in the Quran is taking place of different words. As you come through, observe a word may be coming in with 2 dhammatain, or 2 kasratain, or 2 or fathatain, or 2 kasras, or 2 fathas. So that's where the mu'rab, or ending, where the variable ending is coming. You will notice that, and then you will understand better. So first phase is to recognize that the ending is varying, and maybe even look at words whose endings are not varying. And to add to that indeclinable, where the ending is fixed, I can add alladhi, which is a common word noun that comes in the Quran, alladhi. So that's another one you can add, and you can pay attention to that.